Well, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Soaring Together. In today's video, we're going to do some more RV cooking. So we've been invited over to a friend's site tomorrow afternoon, and I'm going to take some broccoli salad. So we're going to show you how it's done. The ingredients for this salad, I'll use mild cheddar cheese, 2 red onions, bacon, cauliflower, broccoli crowns, mayo, red wine vinegar, and I normally try to get the red wine garlic vinegar. So since I don't have the garlic vinegar, I'll add just a little bit of garlic salt to the recipe. One thing that I didn't show you at the beginning of the video, I do add some sugar, so I'll show you how I make that mixture in just a few minutes. I already have one of the crowns of broccoli cut up, so you can see the pieces, the small pieces that I have, and I'll cut this one, and then I'll be chopping my onions, and I'll chop up the cauliflower, and I'm also cooking my bacon. So got everything going at one time, so I hope I get it all in the video so you can make it yourself. It's a quick and easy salad. So right now in my Ninja Foodie, I am cooking the bacon. So my second round of bacon is finished. So this bacon I'm going to fry up pretty crisp. So I've got 2 already cooked. So we're going to add the rest of the bacon. And if you use this Ninja Foodie, you have to be very careful when you're putting food down in it because everything inside that is hot. So you don't want to burn your hands. And like I said, I am frying this bacon real crispy. So now I'll cut the other crown of broccoli. Normally, I will prepare my dressing first because I'll mix that up and let it sit in the refrigerator. So normally I do that first, but this is Saturday, so I'm just preparing everything today, and I won't actually mix the dressing with all of the salad until tomorrow. So I'm going to cut everything up and then I'll show you how to make the dressing. So next I'm going to cut up some cauliflower. It's white and it does make the salad pretty. So I just cut it similar to the way I do the broccoli crowns. Just cut some small portions in here. I've seen it served sometimes in restaurants and they chop everything more fine, but I kind of like having it just a little chunky. This was a really good piece of cauliflower, real nice and fresh. And my trash can is right here behind me, so dump all of that in the trash. And here's my broccoli and my cauliflower. And then I'm going to chop up the cheese, but I'll probably just put it in a bag until in the morning when I add all the salad together. Just trying to get a head start on it. So we're just going to cut the cheese in little small square blocks. Probably like maybe an 1/8 of an inch block. Anyway, I'll just slice it down. Then I'll just make little small pieces of cheese blocks, just tiny little cheese blocks. You can buy these already in the little square blocks, but I like to just buy a big block of cheese and do it myself. So you can see the little blocks. So So I'll probably use about half of this block of cheese. And then, like I said, everything will be refrigerated overnight, and then I'll put it together tomorrow. And our last bacon is finished, and it's really fried crispy. But like I said, you want it real crispy, so you can just kind of break it apart to put in the salad. And that's going to be some awesome bacon grease down in there. So once it cools down just a little bit, I'll pour it in my bacon grease jar just to use for another recipe. I'm going to go ahead and cut up this onion. And I always like to get at least that first layer of onion off there. And I don't have a chopper in my RV. I never really used a food chopper at home, so just cutting it up on the board works fine for me. Kind of goes kind of fast. So this is one onion, so I'm going to go ahead and just put that on top of my broccoli and cauliflower. And when I mix this up tomorrow, I will have to mix it in a larger bowl. But we'll just let that onion sit on top of that, and then I'll chop my second onion. So in this bowl, I have my broccoli, cauliflower, and onion, and I'm just gonna put this in the refrigerator. And you don't have to let this set overnight. However, due to the fact that we're not gonna eat this till tomorrow, I'm not gonna mix it all up until tomorrow, but I just wanted to get a head start on doing all my chopping. Now we're gonna show you how we mix up the dressing. So I already have measured 3 cups of mayo. I'm going to use a cup of sugar. I have 3 tablespoons of the red wine vinegar. And like I said, since I don't have the garlic red wine vinegar, I'm going to go ahead and put in just this is a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. Not a lot, just a little bit of garlic. And then I'm just going to mix this up. Normally you want this to set in the refrigerator for about an hour, but since I'm going to be mixing my salad up tomorrow, I'm just going to let this set overnight. I don't want to mix it in the salad too soon, because it does tend to water down the salad, and I want it to be good and crisp. So I like to use scissors when I'm cutting up food in the kitchen. It just seems a little easier for me. So and this bacon is so crisp that actually I could probably just break it apart. but I like to cut it so you get more even pieces. So we'll just cut this bacon. So I'll work on getting this cut, and we'll be back to show you how we put the salad all together. Well, you may want to add other vegetables in your salad. This is just the choice that I make when I cut up my broccoli salad. But really, I think the thing that makes this salad taste so wonderful is the dressing. The mayo mixed with the red wine vinegar and just a touch of garlic in it makes the salad to me. Now we are going to finish our broccoli salad. So this is a great salad for RVers because the only thing that you have to cook is your bacon. So as you saw earlier in the video, I fried the bacon yesterday and just put it in a bag. And so today I'm going to throw this all together. So in the bowl I have my broccoli, cauliflower, and red onion. So we're just going to add the cheese. We'll add the bacon. And then next we're going to add the dressing. So again, the dressing has been sitting in the refrigerator overnight so that the sugar does dissolve. So I almost have my bowl too full. So just kind of stir this up a little bit, and then we'll pour the dressing over it. Very simple recipe to make if you have a potluck to attend, if you're RVing, or just anytime. If you don't RV, it's still a good recipe. So we'll just pour that dressing over the salad. And we will stir it up. So there we go. We have our broccoli salad complete. So I will put the recipe below in the comments of this video for your convenience. And if you have any questions, just send me a comment. I would be happy to answer. And we hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And follow us as we are soaring together and living life in different places.